this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for how to kill a kit with style, and this year the team, Sarah and them, all decided to have a theme, and this year's theme for this month is vintage. So, I don't use vintage. You guys know I don't use vintage, but I went and reached out to Sarah and I was like, hey, can we vintage me an old kit? And so I have an old kit that I am going to use. I have a ton of puppy layouts that need to get done. Like, he's almost 3 years old. 3 will be in April or in May. I need to get these scrapbooked. Like, I love the kid. We need to get this done. I love this dog. We need to get this done. So, the layouts, I have a lot of layouts that are already scheduled for the month of February. And I know that this is February 1st. So, I am going to kind of backtrack a little bit and try to fill in some of the spots that I have non-layouts for and put this in. So, this one is for surely going to get used a lot. And I feel like just because it's like cowboy, vintage, oriented, wild, and free, it'll still work for my dog. Because I just love it. And so this did come from the hip kit. I have not used this at all. All of the papers are brand new. Everything is brand new. So they have fabric die cuts where you can turn these into flags. I've got all of the ephemera. And like I said, it's got that westerny, wild and free, but this is going to work because it's a dog. And then obviously I got these stars. Then I've got wood chips. I got 2 sets of thickers. I got the chipboard stickers, and then they've got the chipboard phrases. And then these are like cardstock stickers. Both sides have this westerny, wild and free setup that I think will work perfect because a lot of the photos are just Asher like sleeping, you know, she's like they're hanging out, and the color tones will work. Like I said, there's tons of him sleeping, his first haircut, you know, all these little things. That's where they're at. Him getting in trouble for the first time, you know, his facial, like, good Lord, he needs a haircut, you know, all of this fun stuff. Kaylin wrapping him up like a baby. Him just hanging out, his second haircut. Or, yeah, I think it's like his second. Him being a watchdog on my bed. Here he is being wrapped up right after. Nope. She's treating him like a baby. There he is being a watchdog. He liked to climb on my chair a lot. Back when we were at the old house. This is while he was sleeping. And then there's his face. You know, so it's just all these crazy stuff. His way he sleeps. You know, just crazy pictures that I just need to scrapbook and get caught up. So that the photos that you guys are seeing are not of my old house, which is, this is the old house. And of my new house, which, shoot, I don't even think any of these are, nope, not a single one of the, oh, nope, here we go. Finally, at his second birthday, we've got photos of him at the new house. So, that is why I decided to pick this and knock this out, because the color tones just match. And honestly, he's a dog, and he's wild and free, and he gets to do whatever he feels like doing. And these pictures will just match. So, we're going to quickly go through the papers just so that you can see. That's page 1. Here's page 2. And I doubled up on the pages because this is such a boho collection. That's 3. There's 4. Here's 5. Here's 6. 7. 8. 9. Like, this one can work for the winter pictures I have. We're at 10. We're at, oops, 11, and then 12. So that is where I'm at with those. And I am going to be on a very first disclaimer. The reason why you did not see my wrap-up video for the month of January is because I got sick and tired of Christmas. I am not going to lie. Christmas, I was over with. I'm completely over with. I dislike it. I'm done. I'm just done. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to have Christmas in July. And so you're going to see that same kit come out. So we're going to wrap up in July. So that I can knock out my July photo or my Christmas photos that I have left over from 2 years ago. So that when we get to December of this year, we're scrapbooking last year's December. Which does not have that many photos, because it ended up getting to where it was too cold and all of that stuff. And so we didn't do as much as I typically do in December, but I don't care. So there's my disclaimer on why you did not see a wrap up, because really I'm not wrapping it up until July. Because I'm over Christmas and I'm done. I'm just done. When you get done with something, you're done. I am tired of seeing Christmas colors. I don't want to see red no more, but yet I'm going to see red anyway. But you know, I'm done. So, but there you go. There is my rant and my thing. Make sure you go check out everybody down below. Everybody will be listed of who is joining in the month of February. Again, our theme is vintage. So I grabbed a vintage collection from Hip Kit, because I have not used this kit at all. And it's been sitting there. And I am going to clear up these photos from Asher this month. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.